Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 17 of our 99% in 99 days in CBSE Maths series. Okay, I hope all of you are doing good. Today is a very important day. Today we'll talk about revision and practice of questions in the quadratic equation. We have done the previous two sessions on the quadratic where we have covered all the concepts in detail, right? But as you know, we should solve more questions. There was a request from your side also, so to solve more and more questions also in the same chapter. So that's why I am back here today with a revision session. Okay, in this session we'll solve almost 11 questions including a case study. Okay, and we'll see how can we go through those questions. So I hope you're prepared. I hope you're excited to get to the session. So please take your pen and paper out and solve all the questions with me. If the question that you're solving getting longer, getting lengthier, you need more time to solve that question, pause the video and solve the question, attempt the question, then come back to check your solutions with me. Okay, so I hope you're prepared. Let's start with the session. Coming up first, I already discussed with you the chapter plan, right? How the chapters are. So standard form was the first thing. Second was solving of a quadratic equation based upon two methods. Factorization method, where we use both identities and split the middle term. Okay, and Sridhar formula method that we use to find the quadratic equation solutions where we cannot factorize that easily. Okay, so that method becomes very helpful for us. And the last but not the least, nature of roots questions. And we also saw the weightage. The chapter wise weightage was missing, but we have the unit wise weightage, which is 20 marks. And I've seen your previous year papers, 5-6 marks you can expect in this bacha. Okay, excuse me. And in this, very important thing was what, that category is such a way that you can expect questions either in MCQ, 2 marker, 3 marker, 4 marker, 5 marker in both the section. It means in solving a quadratic equation you can expect an MCQ, even a 5 marker, even a 4 marker case study, and same goes with nature of roots. MCQ can come, 2 marker can come, and 4 marker question can also be framed from this particular chapter. Total weightage 5 to 6 marks you can expect from this chapter. 6 mark maximum, will not be more than 6 marks from this particular chapter. That's a good amount of weightage, right, from the algebra unit and the chapter quadratic equation, right? Question number one is what, sir? MCQ I've taken. We have to check whether how many roots or how many values this given equation has. We have to solve it. Let's check. So how will you solve it? Very simple, bacha. X square plus 1 the whole square is there, right? So how can I write this? Square plus 1 the whole square minus x square equals to 0. My given equation. Okay, so first of all I can apply identity over here. What identity is there? Is going to be a plus b the whole square. Let's apply that. So x square the whole square plus 1 square, okay, plus 2 times of x square times of 1 minus x square equals to 0. Am I right? Yes, please see this. X power 4 plus 1, how much is this? 2x square minus x square, so plus x square equals to 0. Arrange it, bacha. X power 4 plus x square plus 1 equals to 0. I can get my answer from here also. Okay, by just analyzing the statement that I have written over here, we can reach the conclusion. Check it out. What type of term is this? Power 4 is a positive term, sir. Power 2 is again a positive term, sir. For whatever x you take, x power 4 will always be positive, x square will always be positive. And what about 1? It's a positive term, sir. Can you add 3 positive terms to get 0? Can you add 3 positive numbers to get 0? Right? Not possible. It means for no value of x, equation is satisfied. What is it? Equation is satisfied. This is a conclusion. Okay, that's how we get it. All right, so what is my answer? No real roots. Okay, but sir, I don't know how to use this approach, sir. Okay, what you have learned, sir? We have learned about quadratic approach. Let's see this. Use the substitution here. Take x square as t. Take x square as t. So please check. X power 4 will become what, bacha? It will become t square. X square will become what, bacha? Simply t, and plus 1 equals 0. Now find the d value. D value will be what, bacha? What's b in this case? 1, sir. What's 4? A is 1, C is also 1. 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 3, which is less than 0. Less than 0 means what? No real roots. No real value for t, it means no real value for x square also. Okay, so if you want, you can solve till this point also. Or if you want, you can just quickly, let's say they have asked you to solve this in 2 marker, 3 marker, then you have to write all these steps till this point. But if it's an MCQ question, you can directly understand this question from here only. Got the approach? If it is a 2 marker question, if it is a 3 marker question, please solve to this point where you show the discriminant is less than 0 and write what? No real roots. No real values of t. Since t is not real, how can x square be real? T is not real means x square will also not be real. So from here you can solve it like this. If it is 2 marker, 3 marker question, if it is just a MCQ, analyze from it here and get the final answer as no real roots. Excellent question. Okay, exemplar problem. Chali, have a look. Moving on to question number 2. Which of the following quadratic has sum of the roots as 4? So we have not learnt in quadratic equations, sir, but we have learnt in quadratic polynomial. Same concept we will apply. Sum was given by alpha plus beta was given by minus b upon a. What's minus b upon a going to be? Check for the second one. Please check for the second one. So minus of 4, because b is 4, upon a is minus 1. How much the answer is? 4. And they have given the sum as 4. It means the equation number b satisfies the condition. So answer is what, bacha? Answer is b. Okay, excuse me, answer is b. Shall we move on? Yes, simple question asked in 2023. Moving on, question number 3. If the roots of x square plus mx plus 12 equals to 0 are in the ratio 1 to 3, find the value of m, or then m is equals to what? Please check. Please check. So ratio is given, right? So we can write what? Let the roots be what? Alpha and 3 alpha. We can write it, bacha, alpha and 3 alpha. Write the sum. Sum is what? Alpha plus 3 alpha. Okay, and how much is going to be? Tell me here. Minus m by 1. Simply minus m. Which formula? Minus b by a. Great. What about product? What about product, sir? Product is what? Alpha times of 3 alpha equals to what? Please check here. Simply 12. Simply 12. Now have a look. 3 alpha square equals to 12, sir. Goes out. Alpha square equals to 4, sir. What is the alpha value from here? Please check. 4 alpha equals to minus m. What is alpha from here? Alpha value is minus m by 4. Whole square equals to 4. Please have a look. 4 alpha is minus 1, minus m. So alpha is minus m by 4. What am I going to get? M square by 16 equals to 4. What am I getting? I'm getting m square equals to 64. M square is 64. Okay. Okay. 1 second. So what is m? Plus minus 8. Option number B. Good question. Okay. Chaliye, let's move on to the question number 4, sir. The roots of equation x square plus 3x minus 10 are. How will you find it? We can use factorization method. Simple. Can you factorize it, sir? What approach I taught you? If you remember, 3x minus 10 equals 0 is there, right? Right? So multiply first and last. It's given in already standard form. So right here minus 10x square is coming. Please take 5x, 2x. I want minus 10, right? So plus 5 minus 2. Plus 5 minus 2 is how much? Plus 3. So I can write here x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10. Split the middle term like this. Correct? Take x common over here and take minus 2 common over here. Yes. Now how many terms I have? I have 2 terms. So I can take what common? X plus 5. Please do. Okay, come on. If you equate both the brackets, my answer will be bacha, x equals to minus 5 and x equals to 2. Okay, minus 5 and 2, option minus 5 and 2, A. Option number A, sir. 2 comma minus 5, please check. Moving on to question number 5. Okay, if x square plus 2kx plus 4 equals to 0 has a root x equals to 2, then value of k is, have a look. Chaliye, this is a 0, this is a root, means what? Root means what? Such value of x which will satisfy the equation, correct? This is the value of x which will satisfy the equation which is given. Satisfying means what? Satisfying means LHS becomes equals to RHS. Please have a look. So I can replace x by 2. So 2 square plus 2 times of k times of 2 plus 4 shall be equal to 0. Please check. 4 plus 4 is 8, right? Yeah. Bring on that side. So minus 8 was k value, minus 2. K value is minus 2, option number B. Option number B. Please cross check your answer. If I made any mistake in calculation, let me know in the comment section. I'll try not to, but if I make any, let me know, bacha. Okay, chaliye. Now, since you're watching this video, I have a very important announcement to make for you. As we do every year, okay. This year also we are organizing DSAT program. What's DSAT, sir? DSAT is Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test, a very uniquely combined aptitude and scholarship test. Okay, so don't have to worry about this. How can we get this benefit? The first thing is you have to enroll. Okay, how can you enroll? The link for this web page is given, okay, in the video only. Go ahead, go visit the link, put your details over here, get in touch with our team and get enrolled. Now, why would I enroll, sir? Question, why would I enroll? So if you know, as a 10th grader have this question that what should I do with my career, sir? What should I do with after 10th grade? This is the answer. This will help you understand whether you should go for biology in science, maths in science, or not science at all. Let's say I want to go with commerce, arts. So what do you want to do after 10th? This will help you understand that, okay? Let's say you are somebody who knows what they want to do. They want to do JEE, they want to do NEET, okay? Then this will help you understand your competency level for JEE, for NEET, for KSAT. Means where you stand in your preparation, what you should do better, okay? How can you improve yourself? So this will help you understand all the queries, all the doubts as a 10th student can have, okay? So this is the answer for all your doubts, okay? What you can do is, I'll tell you, list out all your doubts, first get enrolled, list out all your doubts and reach our campuses. We'll answer all of your doubts about your queries, about your doubts about your career plan after 10th grade, okay? So please list out all your questions and reach to our campuses. So how does it, takes place? Every Sunday. Why Sunday? Because only that time you can give some time to, because it's going to be a 3-hour session, okay? It's not just 1 hour or 1.5 hour, not like that. It is a 3-hour session, okay, which will be dedicated. The structure of the 3 hour we'll talk about at the end of the session. For now, just understand it's a 3-hour session on Sunday, okay, and just write all the questions, go to our campuses, Diksha campuses, and you'll get your doubts answered there, bacha. We'll talk about the structure of the DSAT program at the end. Right now, let's get back to solving the questions, revising the concept of quadratic equation. All right, chaliye. So have a look. Assertion A states that, assertion reason question, again a very important section. Why important? Because most of the students struggle in this. That's why what I've thought, in every session that we're going to take, we'll have assertion reason question. Okay, means for every chapter you'll solve 3 to 4 assertion reason question. Then you'll be getting confidence when you are solving a paper for your pre-boards or for Sayodhyas or for your finals also. Okay, so every chapter we'll try to solve assertion reason for sure. Case study I can try whenever I can. I will certainly put a case study on all of the chapters so that you can get a hang of working on case studies. Chali. So the roots of quadratic equation x square plus 2x plus 4 equals to 0 are not real. How can we say that? We have to check the discriminant. We'll check that. Second one, if the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, the standard form, has equal roots, correct now? Correct, right? But they're talking about that. They're talking about not real over here and equal root over here. So first of all, the statement 1 and 2 are not related to each other. Okay, even though both of them are true but not related. So this is true, reason is true, assertion we have to check. We have to find the d value, right? Check the d value, bacha. Okay, what's the d going to be? B square means 2 square minus 4 times of a, so 1, and c is 4. How much is that? Please check. So 4 minus 16, which is what? Minus 12, which is less than 0. So what I'm getting discriminant to be less than 0. It means the root for the given equation will be imaginary. So assertion is also true. So assertion true, reason true, but doesn't explain the assertion. Okay, so option number B. Okay, option number B is the correct answer, sir. Is the correct answer, sir. Moving on, I hope this is clear. Yes, let's move on to the question number 7. Again another assertion reason question, and this is a very good question. This can be asked in a 3 marker 5 marker category also, but I gave you over here. Okay, let's see. The quadratic equation x square a square plus b square plus 2 times of ac plus bd times of x c square plus d square equals to 0 has no real roots. No real roots means what? Okay, d has to be less than 0. Okay, we'll check that d value first, but this is true only when they're saying that if this condition is true, then they have no real root. We have to check. Let's check this. Let us check this. Okay, so what's the d value, bacha, here? Please check. D value is what? B square minus 4ac. What's my b square value? Please check. What is my b value? Twice of ac plus bd. Twice of ac plus bd, the whole square, minus 4ac, right? So 4 times of a. So this is a, coefficient of x square, 4ac. So this c square plus d square, right? This is the discriminant value. Okay, now if I expand it, how will it look like? Please have a look. Okay, 1 second. Yes, so if I expand this, okay, sir, I can do it over here. Please have a look. It'll become what? Square of this thing will become, so my d will become what? Twice of ac. So it'll become 4 times of a square c square, the bracket part. Okay, 4 square, please have a look. Square of 2, so 4, square of the bracket, so a square c square, the first term square, second term will be what? Plus b square d square, and plus again twice of a b c d, twice of a b c d, correct? Please check. Twice of a b c d, a square b square plus 2ab. Okay, from there I get 4 is outside, I'm not multiplying that. And what about the other bracket? So minus sign will be here. 4 times of a square c square is the first term, 4 times of a square c square. Next is what? This is a minus sign, obviously. I can write this minus over here only. Please check. I can write this minus over here only. Great. Next is what? 4 times of a square d square minus 4 times of a square d square minus 4 times of b square c square minus 4 times of b square d square. Now see what we can cancel. So we can cancel, bacha, 4ac a square c square, so this will cancel. Okay, and b square d square also will cancel because 4 times is over here. So what I'm left with, my d is equals to 4 into 2, 8 abcd, 4 into 2, 8 abcd, okay, minus 4a square d square, okay, and minus 4b square c square. Okay, this is my d value. Okay, now I will write this in the next slide. Minus 4 a square c square or d square? A square d square, right? 1 second, just a little bit patience. A square d square and minus b square c square minus 4 b square c square plus 8 abcd. Take minus 4 common in this case. What I get? Sir, I get a square d square, okay, plus b square c square plus, not plus, minus this time, because I've taken minus common, right? So minus will be left now. So minus what? 2abcd, right? minus 4, I can write this as AD minus BC the whole square. Please cross check. First term A square D square, second term plus B square C square, next term twice of this product AD BC or ABCD, correct? Now please check. Minus 4 times of what is this term? Positive term, sir. Whole square is always positive or 0. So minus 4 times of this, minus positive, okay? So what is it going to be, bacha, tell me here? So minus 4 times of, acha, they have given a condition also, right? I forgot what they have given. Please have a look. They have given AD equals to BC. Okay, they have given what? AD equals to BC. So forget about all of this. Excuse me, pardon me. They have given AD equals to BC, right? So I can write AD as BC minus BC. How much is it going to be? 0, right? AD equals to BC means AD minus BC is 0. So what I'm getting D value as? 0. Whenever D is 0 means what? Equal and real roots. But what did they say? What did they say? They said no real root when this condition is true. They said no real roots means assertion is incorrect. Correct? Let's look at reason now. If Lx square minus 2x plus 2 has real roots, then L less than equal to 2. 1 by 2, sorry. So what is it? Lx square minus 2x plus 2. My equation, okay, has real roots. So first we have to find about discriminant again. Achha, one more thing. This is for reason. This is for reason, okay. So please check. My D will be equal to what? B square minus 4AC. What is D? What is B going to be, bacha? Minus 2 the whole square minus 4 times of A is L and C is 2. Okay. How much is that? 4 minus 8L. This is D, right? And they're saying what? Has real root if L is less than equal to 2. Real means what means, bacha? Real means greater than equal to 0. Correct? Greater than equal to 0. So please check 4 minus 8L greater than equal to 0. Bring L on this side. So 4 greater than 8L, which means what? 8L is less than 4, which is what? Yes? Correct. Okay. It means the statement that was given, this is having a real root when D is greater than equal to 0, and that will give me what? L less than equal to 1 by 2. L less than equal to 1 by 2 means condition is right. So reason is right, assertion is wrong. Reason is right, assertion is wrong. Okay. Option number D. Option number D, sir. Please have a look. Okay. An excellent question. An excellent question. Okay. Chaliye, shall we move on? Okay. Now moving on to the subjective questions, 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 marker. Let's see the categories. Find the nature of the roots of the following equation. We can find it very easily. D, sir. B square minus 4AC, sir. What is B square, bacha? Minus 3 by root 2 the whole square, sir. Minus 4 times of, what is it? A is root 2. C is, sir, 1 by root 2, sir. Okay. 9 by 2 minus, how much is it, bacha? Goes out, 4. 9 by 2 is what? 4.5 minus 4. How much is that? 0.5, which is greater than equal to, greater than 0. It means what? Discriminant is greater than 0. It means what? Real and unequal roots, right? Real and unequal roots. Please check. Please check. Real and unequal roots. Simple problem, 2 marker. Okay. Chali. Question number 9, sir. If the equation 1 plus m square times of x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square equals to 0 has equal roots, then so that c square equals to a square times of 1 plus m square. Means for this given equation where a is this, b is 2mc and c is c square minus a square has equal roots. Equal root means what? D equals 0, right? Equal and real condition. So first find what? D value. Can you find this? Please check. Please try. Pause the video and try finding from your side. Okay. So b square will be what, bacha? 2mc the whole square minus 4 times of a. So 1 plus m square times what? C. So c square minus a square, and d has to be 0 because they have given equal roots, so right here 0. Okay, simplify please. 4m square c square, sir. Expansion of this side, bacha, please expand. 1 with c square, so c square minus a square, correct? 1 with c square is c square, 1 with minus a square is minus a square. Multiply m square with c square, so plus m square c square minus m square a square. Now expansion please. What I get? 4m square c square minus 4c square, okay, minus 4a square plus 4m square c square minus 4m square a square. Please have a look. Gone, right? So what I'm getting, I want c square only on one side, so I'll keep the c square over here, this term. Rest I'll take on this side, okay? Rest I'll take on this side, okay? Acha, one thing, one change, sir. The sign change has to be there, right? Over here, okay, over here also. Please check. Minus into minus will be what? Plus. Minus into plus will be what? Minus. And this will be what? Minus into minus, again plus, right? That's why we can cancel, no? 4m square minus 4m square c square, okay? Now bring this 4c square on this side. I'm going to get what? 4c square equals to 4a square plus 4m square a square. Take common, sir. I have 4a square common. I get what? 1 plus m square. Cancel 4 and 4. What I'm getting, sir? I'm getting, sir, c square equals to, sir, a square times of 1 plus m square. And when did I get this condition, sir? Whenever I took d equal to 0. When I took d equals to 0, which was the condition for equal roots, I got the condition as c square equals to a square plus 1 plus m square. Hence what? Proved. Hence proved, sir. Simple problem, simple. I hope you solved it by yourself only. You didn't have to watch my solution. Very good. Moving on. I hope this is simple, visible. Moving on to question number 10. What problem? Okay, let's solve this. A train travels a distance 480 kilometers, okay, at a uniform speed. Great. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Chaliye. So few things to note here. So speed is uniform. Speed is uniform, okay, and they're asking us to what? Find the speed only. So please take this to be variable x km per hour. Why km per hour? Because same unit is being used here, kilometers and hours. So speed is uniform and this equals to x km per hour. Second thing, distance is same, right? Distance is what? Same. How much? 480 kilometers. Now we'll see the question statement. Train is traveling, so there are two speeds, right? Slow down. Slow down by what? Okay, the new speed, which is a less speedy, okay? New speed is how much, bacha? Slow down by 8 km per hour. Okay, so it is 8 km, x minus 8 km per hour. Excellent. Okay, great. Now they're saying difference in time is how much? 3 hours. So right now we have only speed and distance. We have to make time. How will you make time? This formula, so time is equals to distance by speed. Okay, so what's distance, bacha? Tell me when. First of all, where will it be more time? So with this case, if I write the time, right? Time, okay? When I'm going faster, what's the time? When the train is going faster, the time is what, bacha? Tell me here. It's going to be 480, total distance 480 by the speed. What is that? X. What is it going to be? This is going to be number of hours only, okay? When I'm going slower, right? Okay, how much is the distance? Remains same, sir. What's the time? What's the speed? X minus 8 km per hour. This is again going to be hours only. Now which is more? When I go slower, I'll take more time. When I go faster, I'll take more time. Think about it. When the train is going slower, will take more time, or when I'm going faster, I'll take more time. This is bigger, so please write it down here. 480 upon x minus 8 minus what? 480 upon x equals to 3 hours. The difference is 3 hours. Chali. I can take 480 common, bachcha. 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x equals to 3. Cancel this 3 with 480 with 160. What I have? 160 times of, take the LCM here, x minus 8. Equivalent fraction if I make, I get x over here, and I get what? Minus times of x minus 8. 1. Okay. Open the bracket, please. I get what? X minus x plus 8 upon x square minus 8x equals to 1. X and x is cancelled. Okay. So what I'm getting? I'm getting 160 times of 8 equals to, cross multiply, x square minus 8x on this side. My quadratic equation. Let's write in the standard form. Let us write in the standard form. What I'm getting? 160 times of 8 equals to x square minus 8x. Please check. Same thing I've written over here. All right. Now bring this whole thing over there. I get x square minus 8x minus 160 times 8. Sir, why don't you multiply? I don't want to. You'll see the difference. Okay. Now making the factor of what? First and last term. 160 times of 8. Again x square will come with the minus sign. So we have to make what? Factors of 160 and 8. Please see. I can write this as what? What, bacha? 8 times of 20. This 8 is as it is. Please check. And x square is there. Also negative sign is there. Okay. For the everything. They are factors of 160 and 8. 160 I've written as 8 into 20 is what? 160. And 8 is taken as it is. Now write 20 as again 5 and 4. And this 8 as it is. So 20 is what? 5 and 4. And x square is outside. Now club what? Club these factors together. What I get? 8 5s are 40 and 8 4s are 32. Right here x, right here x. I want a minus 8x, right? So make this negative and this as positive. Please check. Minus 40 plus 32 is minus 8. Multiply them. You're going to get same result, right? So my factors are what, bachcha? Let me middle term. X square minus 40x plus 32x minus 160 times of 8. Okay. I know it's not a conventional method of doing the factorization, but I choose it like this because I don't have to, get confused or get, I'm very sure that there's no mistake in this. Okay. Because I'm making the factors all the time. Hai na? My approach. If you want, you can use a different approach. I am completely agreed with that. But if you don't have a different approach, this would be faster. You will not make any mistake in that. Just keep making the factors and club them together so that you get a desirable result. Don't worry, it will not be that lengthier all the time. Okay. Common is what? X is common. So x minus 40. What is common here? Plus 32. X minus 40 again. How come, sir? Because if you multiply 32 and 40, you're going to get what? Same number, no? That's why. Equals to 0. What is common now? X minus 40, x plus 32 equals 0. So I have two values of x, 40 kilometers per hour or minus 32. Speed I cannot take negative. My answer will be what? 40 kilometers per hour. What is my answer? 40 kilometers per hour. This is the uniform speed of the train that they were asking. What is this answer? The answer is given as 40 kilometers per hour is my answer, sir. Please check. 40 kilometers per hour is my answer. Have a look from the very beginning and this step also. Yes. Yes. Great. Shall I move on? Yes. The last question of the day. With this, we'll complete the revision. Okay. And over the weekend, you'll have the test on again a quadratic equation with the next chapter. So, case study. Raj and Ajay are very close friends. Both the families decide to go to Rani Khet by own cars. Okay, Raj's car travel at a speed of X km per hour. They've given the variable. So Raj's car is what? Having speed of X km per hour, while Ajay's car travels 5 km faster than the Raj's car. Okay, great. Raj took 4 hours more than Ajay to complete the journey. Please check. So first write here Raj's car and what? Ajay's car. Okay. See the speed now. So which is X? Raj's car is X. What is this? X plus 5. Please check. 5 km faster, right? What is the unit? Kilometer per hour. Kilometers per hour. Okay. Total distance is what, bacha? 400 km. Right here. Distance is how much? 400 kilometers. Great. Okay. Chali. Raj took 4 hours more than Ajay. Means, okay, he is taking 4 hours extra. 4 hours extra than Ajay, because driving slow, right? Okay, so let's find this. Distance is same, right? Let's find the time. Find the time. This is speed, right? This is speed. Distance is same for this also. Find time, bacha. Find time will be what? 400 upon X plus 5. And what is this? 400 upon X, which is more. This time is more, right? This time is more. So now we can write what? 400 upon X minus 400 upon X plus 5 equals to what? The time extra at hand, 4 hours. Everything is in same unit, kilometers an hour, no problem. Take 400 common over here. What I get? What do I get, sir? Cancel this 4 this with 100. I get 100 over here, sir. Take the LCM. X times of X plus 5. How much is it? Equivalent fraction, sir. X and X is gone, sir. X and X is gone. What I'm getting? I'm getting 500 equals to X square plus 5X. X square plus 5X. So if I simplify this, what I'm getting, please check. I'm getting this as X square plus 5X minus 500 equals to 0. Right? Correct? Now factorize this. Simple factorization. 25 and 20. So plus 25X minus 20X minus 500 equals to 0. How come, sir? 25 times 20 is what, bacha? Minus 500 only. Okay? Great. Take X common here. X plus 25. Take minus 20 common here. Again X plus 25 equals to 0. Take X plus 25 common now. X minus 20 equals to 0. I have X equals to either 20 or minus 25. Can't take negative. What is my answer? The positive value, 20 km per hour. 20 km per hour. Now I have solved the question. Let's look for the option that they're asking. What will be the distance covered by Ajay's car in 2 hours? Okay, Ajay's car distance in 2 hours. So I'm answering the first question over here. Please check. What is the Ajay's car speed? Ajay's car speed is X plus 5. Okay. So for Ajay's car, what's the speed, bacha? Speed is X plus 5 hours. X plus 5 hours, right? Have a look. 1 second. Yeah, X plus 5 hours. So what's the distance now in 2 hours? Distance traveled in what? In 2 hours will be what? Will be 2 times of X plus 5. 2 times of X plus 5. How much is that? Either this, or I can do what? I know the speed, right? I know the speed now. So if this is 20, this value is coming as 20, this is 25. So this can be what? Simply, sir, 50 kilometers. So right, this is actually your answer, because initially they have not asked you to solve, right? So this is your answer. How come this is my answer, sir? Because X plus 5 is not a variable, because X they have given in the question. X is a variable that is given in the question. You can write the answer in that question variables term. So answer will be what? 2 times of x plus 5. If you are having this doubt, sir, why we are writing the answer in terms of variable? Because the variable is given by the question. So x is given. So answer will be 2 times of x plus 5. If you want the value is what? 50 kilometer. Okay. Part 2. Chaliye. Part 2. Write a quadratic equation. Describe the speed of Raj's car. What's the equation? Please check. X square plus 5x minus 500. How come, sir? Please check. I've taken the speed of Raj's car to be x, right? So the equation in x is what? This, right? So x square plus 5x minus 500. X square plus 5x minus 500. I hope this is visible. Yes. 1 second. Okay. I'll write it over here also. X square plus 5x minus 500 equals to 0. Have a look. Question was what? Write a quadratic equation describing the speed of Raj's car. Okay, great. Third part of the question, third A. What is the speed of Raj's car? Speed of Raj's car is what? X. Okay, so we write the third part A over here. Third A is what? Speed of Raj's car is how much? Is simply x, sir. Simply what, sir? 20 kilometers per hour. Okay, now what is next, bacha? 3B. 3B. What is it? Please check. How much time took Ajay to travel 400 kilometers? So Ajay, for Ajay again, what's the speed, bacha? So speed is what? 25 kilometers per hour. Okay, what's the distance? What's the distance? The distance is 400 kilometers. Right? So they're asking the time, right? So time will be what? Distance by speed. How much is that? 400 by 25. So if you do this, 1 and yes, 16, right? So 16 hours, right? Correct. 25 times 8 is what? 200. So twice of that will be 16 hours only. This is for time taken for what do you call? For Ajay. This is for Ajay. For Ajay's car. For Ajay's car. For Ajay car. Okay. Chaliye. So please write these answers. Have a look of the questions once again. The equations that I solved over here and the answers. Okay. So with this, my first answer is what? 2 times of x plus 5. Second answer is what? The equation itself. Third answer, part A, is what? 20 km per hour. And fourth answer is what? 16 hours. Okay. So I hope this is okay. With this, the session for practicing quadratic equation questions are done. As I said, we'll talk about the structure of DSET program at the end. So let's talk about it. 3-hour session over the Sunday. In that 3 hour, you'll have first hour given for the lecture. In that 1 hour, the first 1 hour, you'll have 45 minutes of the lecture given by your senior faculty, okay, very experienced faculty, and then last 15 minutes will be a doubt session, will be a question answer round. Means after learning for 45 minutes, you will be able to what? You will be able to ask your questions also for the particular lecture. Okay, great. Now for the next 1 hour, you have to write the aptitude test. Okay. Then we will evaluate your test, and then we'll see how much you performed. Based upon the performance, you will have one counseling with us. Means you'll sit together with you, with your parents, with our team of counselors, with our team of teachers, and get to ask all of your doubts. Okay, and we'll tell you what you should do, where you're heading, how can you improve. So all this will be answered with with our team. Secondly, if you perform very good, and if you want to continue and join with us for your 11th preparation, for preparation of your whatever exams you're looking for, then you will get a very attractive scholarship based upon this aptitude test that you're going to write in DSET program. Okay, so please make sure that you have this benefit, and you get advantage of that. And I hope to see you very soon with this, bacha. So with this announcement, a pleasant announcement, I would like to end the session. Okay, I hope you have revised all the questions that I have solved today. Please, if you're struggling in any of the questions, solve it again and again. Practice is what required, bacha. Okay, any other doubt you have, any other questions you have, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Okay, I'll see you in the next session.